Hello trader, this is Vishal from StockBox Technologies and I'm going to showcase the application demo for the new StockBox app. So there are a lot of things that you can do using the StockBox application and we will know each tool one by one. So this is the StockBox application home screen. If you have logged in and you have signed up to in the StockBox application, you can check out the home screen. Here you have a few buttons on the home screen. If you click on the last one, you can see your profile, your name, phone number, email, and you can also check out what subscriptions do you have right now. So I can see all the subscriptions that are active in my account that I've purchased and their expiry date, purchase date, all the details. So this is my subscription in your profile. You can also check the wallet balance. I have a wallet balance of 3,100. So how do you get wallet balance? You have to refer the Stockbox application to somebody. Whoever downloads the Stockbox application using your link, you can check their name. Like you can check the name of two people right now. So I've recommended this. I've provided a referral link to three of my friends, two of my friends, and two have purchased a plan. So I have received a balance of 3,100 from Stockbox. And the topmost, Anurad Singh, you can see that their earning is zero because that person has downloaded the application, but he has not bought any plans. So somebody buys a plan on your referral link, you get bonus. Then you can check your basket subscriptions as well. You can see what basket do you have, the duration, purchase price, expiry details, everything is visible in my profile section. Now let's go back to home screen. On the home screen, the first tool that you can see is service. If you click on service, you can see all the plans that we have. So we have a lot of paid services as well. And you can see power play, option strategies. You can check out the details here. You can just click on view and you can see the plan description. You can read the description. You can choose whatever plan you like based on the description, and you just have to click on pay. After you click on pay, you'll get a lot of options to pay using credit card, debit card, and bank account details, anything. So it's very easy to subscribe to a plan, any plan of your choice. Now, if you have subscribed the plan already, you can see trades that we share. So if you click on the trading section, you'll see all the trades that we have shared, the stop loss, the trade date, time, categories, swing. You have to buy at, buy above, buy below, stop loss, entry price, and targets. And you can also see the potential profit and the holding duration. So all the details are available. So these are the live trades, the trades that are still active. And I can also see the closed trades. What are the trades that we have closed in my account? So I'm using Stockbox account. I have received, let's say, 10 trades. If 5 of them are closed, I can see them in the closed section. If 5 of them are active, I can see them in the active section. And this is for cash, this is for future, and the same is for options. Now you can also check out baskets. We have a lot of investment baskets and they're very simple. You can click on mid cap leaders. You'll be able to read all the details about the basket, the theme, number of stocks, 9, rebalance frequency, the returns since launch. Let's say this was launched on 10th April. So in past 3 months, it has generated 12%. Validity is 1 year and minimum investment amount is 20,000. So the 20,000 will be invested in small cap 61% and 39% will be mid cap. You can also check out the performance, the description, methodology, and rationale. If you want to buy a basket, it is available for 99 rupee right now. You can just click on subscribe and you'll get the payment details. There are a number of baskets that you can buy. You can check all the details just by clicking on any baskets. Every basket requires different investment amount. So this EV requires 28,000 and the returns are 15% in past 2 months. So it really varies according to the basket, according to volatility and risk. Then we have strategy plan. A lot of people love option strategy plan provided by Stockbox. You can see all the trades that we have shared in strategy. If you want to place an order, you can also place order from here. So I haven't covered this topic. You can see the closed trades as well, closed trades and the live trades here. Now, if you see the trade section, there is an option to buy here, potential left, and you have buy. And then even if you have baskets, let's say I've subscribed to this basket, I'll click on view details and then I can buy. So I just have to enter an amount. Let's say I want to invest 17,000. So I will be able to buy the baskets in proportionate quantity that will be recommended by Stockbox Technologies. I just have to click on place order. Now, how does that work? So let's go back to the home screen. For the trades, for the baskets, and for the strategies, if you just click on place order, you have to put lots. Let's say I want to buy 2 lots. I just click on place order, and if my broker is connected to the StockBox application, it will automatically buy the trades. Similarly, here in cash segment, let's say I want to buy this trade. For example, I'll just click on buy, and I have not logged in my Zerodha, but if I had, then it would just buy this stock for me at the price shared in the statement. So it's very simple. You can execute the orders, buy and sell from here. Now let's go to watch list. I don't have anything in my watch list right now, but you can also add stocks to watch list. Let's say the stocks that you want to track and that you want to invest in. Let's go to stocks now. This is our stock screener, and you can click on any company that you like. Let's say Hero Motorcorp. We have Hero Motorcorp here, and I can see the chart. I can also see StockBox score. So if you check this out, StockBox score rates companies based on their fundamental health. So any company that is rated above 4 is in a good shape on fundamental basis, and any companies that is below 4, it is not very good in terms of fundamental health. So there are various scores that we provide, and you can check it here: 4 to 5, 3 to 3.9, 2 to 2.9. Companies who score less than 2 are weak overall across multiple dimensions. There is peer comparison. You can also check the peers of Hero Motorcorp right now with Tata Motors, Hyundai, M&M, and Maruti Suzuki. You can also check out all the financial details and technical details. Today's low, high, 52-week low, 52-week high, open price, and volume. Every detail. If I click on fundamentals, I can see the company fundamental. It's a mid cap stock. Sector is automobile. The market cap. We also have SWOT analysis here. So there are 3 strengths. There's one opportunity, 0 weaknesses, and then there is threat. So you can check out the SWOT analysis, the financials. You can see revenue, balance sheet, cash flow. The shareholding pattern is also very interesting because you can check if there is any increment or decrement when it comes to the shareholding pattern of institutions. So let's say promoter, FI, let's say promoter and FI. If you check out FI, it says minus 0.53%, means they are decreasing. Domestic, they're increasing. Mutual funds increasing. Financial institutions increasing, but it's almost flat. And insurance companies are also decreasing their holdings. You can check it for various quarters. This is March, then December, September, June, March. So there is a historical data that is available here along with the SWOT analysis. Now, after checking the shareholding pattern overview, you can also check more details, the company details, background, the news related to the company, corporate actions, if there are any dividend, board meetings, rights issues, AGM. You can check every detail here just by clicking on the filter. So I can see last time they issued bonus shares. I can see last time they have issued rights, right? So that is it for the stock screener. Now let's go to FII and DII. And so before that, we also have screener. Screener is basically, we have few screeners, but we'll have more screeners in the future. Now you can check the 52-week high stocks. You can check stocks that have hit 52-week low. You can check high dividend yield stocks. Let's say you want to invest for dividend income. Then these are all the stocks with good dividend yield. And you have high delivery stocks, who have a high delivery on daily basis. So every day the delivery percentage is different for different companies. Then we have debt-free companies. So a lot of people want to invest in companies who don't have any kind of debt. And these are the listed companies with very low debt or close to nil debt in their balance sheet. We have top losers for the day, and we have top gainers as well. You can check out all the top gainers here. Then we have DII and FII. You can check the investments, net investments of FIIs, the buy value, sell value, net value. Similarly, for the DII, you can check buy value, sell value, and net value. That is every day. So you can also see the historical data. You can also filter by date. Similarly, this was in cash segment, but you can also check the FI data for derivative segment. FNO investments, FI index, net buy, net sell, futures, stock, net buy, net sell, and options, stock, net buy, net sell. So you will be able to gauge what the institutions are doing right now in Indian market. Now we have a really good feature called sector wise company, and we have more than 60 sectors in this filter. So we have bifurcated the market in very different niche sectors like telecom service providers. These are telecom service providers. Then we have telecom equipment and infra services. These are companies who provide telecom equipment. And then we have telecom handset and mobile, right? So there are a lot of subcategories in a same industry. So we have provided all those subcategories here. And then we have market. So let's say if you're somebody who wants to trade yourself, then you can use this tool. This is very interesting. You can use market mood indicator, MMI, and it tells you if the market is extremely oversold, neutral, overbought, or extreme overbought zone. Right, and you can also check India VIX here, which is 11.8. Now, market mood indicator will tell you if the positions in the market are in overbought zone, oversold zone, or neutral zone. Similarly, if you use this indicator called Nifty Trend Pulse, then you will know the long term trend of Nifty and the short term trend of Nifty. Right now, the short term trend while I'm making this video is range bound. So Nifty is range bound right now, which means let's say the option buyers are getting trapped. And if it goes bullish, then that means the market is directional and is going upwards. Similarly, the long term trend right now is an uptrend. Then we have neutral and downtrend. You can also check market indices, all the market indices and their performance today, the top gainers and also top losers. So this is the market tool, the market analysis tool that you can use to trade yourself, analyze the market yourself. If you want to check our historical trades, you can also do so here. Let's say for the cash segment, I want to see long-term trades, then I can just click on this 95% accuracy and I'll be able to see all the trades that have been shared, all the profits, the losses that we have made till now here. If I click on view, I can also see the description. I can also check the analysis. Let's say I want to see the analysis. I can also check it here and I can also check the analysis here. If I click on trades, any trade, and then I click on, let's say, buy, I can see the analysis. So, so sorry, to execute the trade, of course, you have to click on buy, but there is an option to view analysis as well, which will be, let me just, yeah. So you have analysis option here. You can click on view analysis and you'll be able to see the reports. So this is view analysis option that is available right now. You can see that we have accuracy of 96% in long term. The average holding period is 141 days. Average return is 24%. So all the details for futures, options, and everything is visible here. You can see all the details in this option. You can also check all the signals just by clicking on the second button on home screen, future option, all the details. You can check the blogs that we provide. So StockBox regularly updates its clients about all the market uh, news, any updates, important fundamental news, technical news, everything. So we're covering a lot of educational topics every week. We share around 2 to 3 blogs per week. So you can read these informative blogs, improve your knowledge, make better investment decisions. So these are all available on the StockBox application. You can access them. You can also access news. We share a morning update every day that what is happening in US market, Asian markets, GIFT Nifty, then what is important for the day, the economy, business, sector news. All these things are available before 9 a.m. every day when the market is open. So this is available at one click on home screen of the StockBox application. So this is overall the usage of StockBox app for investment, for trading, to execute trades, to buy baskets, and to analyze the market yourself, to analyze sectors, to view different sectors. So the number of things that you can do. Thank you. And there will be one more video on how to create, how to connect your broker to the StockBox application, which will be a separate video altogether that will be shared with you. Thanks.